reMarkable 3 is a software upgrade that reMarkable have pushed out and will be pushing out over the next couple of weeks. It is one of the biggest changes to the platform and takes a lot more against Amazon Kindle Scribe that is currently available on the market. Today we're going to overview what reMarkable 3 is and how it will impact you, whether you are looking for a reMarkable device or whether you're somebody that uses one right now. So before we begin, please do check out and subscribe to Keep Productive. You can find it linked below. We've got loads of different reMarkable videos which you can find in the link in the description, and we've got a brand new planner that we've launched that allows you to use it interactively on your reMarkable or Kindle Scribe device. So reMarkable 3 is a software improvement and upgrade that reMarkable actually started to talk about in September of this year, of the previous year, sorry. And in 2023, they're really looking to make it much more forefront. So for those who don't know, reMarkable introduced Connect a while ago, and this was basically their software subscription service, which gave you premium access to the cloud and to a wide variety of features exclusive to the reMarkable devices. And essentially, they're just extending this experience. Previously priced at $7.99, it's now down to $2.99 and presents a much more open option for those who don't even have reMarkable devices. So essentially, what does this Connect do? Well, it really optimizes the reMarkable 3.0 update by introducing the ability to take desktop and mobile and notes. And it's very weird to say that because what you can do is log into the desktop and the mobile versions and start typing away on these notes, but alongside all of the pieces of visuals that you've made in your reMarkable paper tablet. Now this is really nice because a lot of people wanted to see the ability to utilize text but find it difficult to do it on the reMarkable device, and especially being able to capture on the go can be quite a useful thing when you're bringing stuff together. So you can now do this in the 3.0 version by even typing away on the device, and also in the beta versions right now on desktop and mobile. Now they've included a few other impressive improvements to their software side of stuff by introducing better handwriting conversion and also producing better performance upgrades as well. And most notably, they've increased the vertical scrolling abilities as well. But this ability to be able to write notes on your desktop and mobile is quite considerable. And a reason why I think they are calling this the 3.0 update is because it definitely introduces a new layer to the reMarkable that many of the other applications aren't even catching up on. Now, to be honest, when comparing this reMarkable 2 against the Kindle Scribe, as I mentioned, one of the core things was the experience with the software. Software is something that you can fairly easily upgrade, so the Kindle Scribe will likely come after this in a bit more of an aggressive fashion in the next couple of months, but reMarkable are not only one update, not only two updates, but with this third version, 3 updates ahead of where I think the Kindle Scribe could be. So they've got to do a lot of catching up to make the quality that the reMarkable 3 now offers in their core experience. If you want to be able to type notes while you're using your paper tablet and also take advantage of better screen sharing abilities and all that Connect offers, the reMarkable platform is a decent upgrade, and the 3.0 release is something that is most impressive. Again, I was very saddened to hear that they won't be releasing a 3.0 anytime too soon in a paper tablet version, as I do love the design and visuals of the current one, but it is definitely a much needed upgrade that will take the new reMarkable tablets to the next level. Anyway folks, hopefully you found this video useful, and all our current videos on the reMarkable 2 versus Kindle Scribe, our Kindle Scribe video, and our new daily planner. So do make sure to check them out in the link in the description if you have not. But the reMarkable 3.0 update is a very interesting one, and one that as a daily user of the reMarkable tablet, I'm really enjoying. Thank you very much folks, and I hope you enjoyed today's feature of getting a bit of an introspective look at the reMarkable 3 update, and I hope to see you in a future video. Thank you very much folks, cheerio.